You all are well. So we have done till exercise C. In this exercise A we have done tick the correct option. Exercise B is true and false, and exercise C is match the following. So in continuation of that, today we will do exercise D, that is answer the following questions in short. You have to write the answers of these questions in a short. Okay, so let's start. The question number 1 is like toys, shoes, etc. should not be left on the floor. Why? Here student, you have to write why should we not left or why should we not leave our toys and shoes on the floor. Okay, and then you have to explain why we should not left our toys and the shoes on the floor. So the answer of this question number 1 is things like toys, shoes, etc. should not be left on the floor because we may step on them while walking and get hurt. Okay, so that's why we should follow the safety rules at everywhere. Next student, question number 2 is what is first aid? Student, in this question you have to write the definition of first aid, and as we have already discussed that first aid is an immediate or the first help given to the injured person before the doctor arrives, and a timely first aid can help the life of a person. Okay, so let's see the answer of this question number 2. The immediate help given to an injured person or to the victim before the doctor arrives is called first aid. Okay student, next student, question 3 is mention 4 things that should be a part of a first aid box. Student, in this question you have to write the name of the 4 things that should be the part of first aid box. So as we have discussed that first aid box is a box that contains the things required to give first aid, and as we have already discussed that in a first aid box we should keep the materials like bandage, cotton, antiseptic lotion, gauze. Okay, along with it we can keep some painkiller and thermometer also we can keep in it to measure the temperature of a person who is suffering from the fever. So student, but here you have to write the name of the 4 things which are needed to give a first aid. Okay, so let's see the answer of this question number 3. Answer 3 is 4 things that should be part of first aid box are cotton, bandage, scissor and antiseptic lotion. Okay student, next question number 4 is what first aid should be given for burns? Student, in this question you have to write the first aid or the first help when we should give to the person who burn. Okay, and in case of a burn. So as we have already discussed that we have to keep the burning area under the cold running water till the burning sensation subside or till the burning sensation stops. Okay, and after that we can apply ointment on that area or we can leave that area open, and if there is a more burn is there, okay, and so we should consult a doctor immediately. So let's see the answer of this question number 4. And the first aid given in case of burn is that keep the affected area under cold running water till burning sensation stops or it subsides. Next one is apply ointment and leave it open. Okay, so if we should also take care that blister should not form on the area where there is a burn. Okay, so student, these are the answers of your exercise D. That's all for today.